from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Vauxhall Vectra here on a 2006 plate. Just doing a position lamp on this one. That one there isn't working, as you can see. And then on this side here, that's working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to replace it. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb. There'll be a link for it. Check it out. I mean, click on the link. You can get it from there. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it where possible. And then there's a new feature with a thanks button. Do click on that as well. Let's do it. Right, now that the lights are off, I'm going to show you how it's done. First thing first you could do is lift this cover up. That's the battery cover. Usually they're a bit tight, so put your fingers in there, get this off. Once you remove that back, now if you, for any reason you wanted to do the main dip bulb as well, all you could do is remove this as well. I'm just going to show you. I mean, where's your screwdriver in there or something, you know? Right, and then pull the whole thing out. You then can get to the main dip bulb, other bulb holder right there as well, and then this cover here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this one first. So if I take this cover out, just remember the seal. So this is pretty good. So I'll put this to the side. And then on the inside here, so what I need to first do is remove this plug here. Wiggle, wiggle, remove it. And it's that bulb holder right there. So if I pull this out, I wedge my fingers in, wiggle, wiggle. At the same time I'm pulling it. That's the bulb we're replacing. So pull the bulb out. It's a capless bulb. Got the new one already. Slot the bulb in, and there's only one way the bulb would go as well. So you slot it in, drop down, and then slot it through the hole. So you can see the hole right on the inside there. So what you do, you slot the bulb in and until it clicks. That's it, click, and then put this back together. Once you put that back on, put the cover on. Make sure you just put the wires in so it's not in the way. And then you put the cover on, and then this goes back on as well. So that's just for the clearance we did. So that just only slots in, and then bring it up so it clicks in here. That's it. And then bring the rest down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check the bulb. Right, now that you can see I've replaced the bulb, that's working, as well as this one as well. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Vauxhall Vectra, and I think this is a first gen 2006, and there is a playlist for Vauxhall as well. Do check that out, and if there is anything you need to know in particular, leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.